Hello everyone. Okay, so I got this Sirius V3 just because I've tried like a few of the other LDY knives and they're really good. I also really wanted a red knife, so I got it in red. I bought it off of Death's Flips on Instagram, who I believe sells some stuff for LDY in America since it's a Chinese maker. But I'm pretty excited for this. So we're just gonna open it up. Here's the box. It looks pretty nice. Got the LDY zip tag. It's also a big box for one knife. I'm guessing this is hardware. Yep. So in there we've got extra bushings, extra screws, extra washers, which is really nice. I've never seen bushings that look like that, but got some candy. I'm joking, don't eat this. And a massive microfiber cloth. Interesting. This thing is huge. It's so funny. Alright. Here's the actual knife itself. In that beautiful red color. Hopefully the color looks okay on camera. It looks really good in person. Ooh. Very nice. And then the trainer blade. Wow, it sounds incredible. Oh. But yeah, it feels pretty nice. Super solid, like no tap, almost zero play. Really good swing as well. This will be great. I like the blade shape. It's pretty cool. They're solid knives. Very nice. That's it. I don't want to put effort into speaking anymore. Peace.